Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX first generation, guys, and your front door does not open from the inside, guys, actually we'll work on rear door as well. We'll explain, guys, what are the top reasons why your door may not open from the inside. Stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why, guys? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, anything like that for your cars, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. We'll have everything that we use shared there so you can see where you can get parts and tools for a really good price. So this is a 2009 Ford Edge, but it will work on Lincoln MKX since they share the same platform. We have the door taken apart completely, guys. Okay, and if you want to see how to do that, just search, guys, okay, for window regulator replacement on Ford Edge or door lock actuator replacement on our channel, and you're going to see how to get to that point. But this is, guys, your door, the whole assembly, everything from start to finish. Let us explain how it works now. This is the interior door handle, guys. So that video is for if your door does not open from the inside. If you have problems with the door not opening from the outside, we'll have a separate video. So when you do that, guys, okay, you pull the handle and it pulls that cable right here, okay, and then that cable, guys, it goes all the way down to the door lock actuator and it goes right here. That's where it connects. Now, what can go wrong, guys? One thing, it could be a broken cable right here, okay, that bow sometimes does break, guys. It could be a broken door handle where actually, guys, okay, the door cable attaches to the door handle down there, so it will not be pulling it. Or sometimes it could be just a loose cable, okay. If it comes out of this one, okay, it could be a loose cable, and as a result it won't work. So you have to make sure that your cable is installed here correctly, guys. Next, you come down, okay, and looking at it, you're going to find out that this is the door lock actuator, guys. Okay, let's hold it just like that a little bit. Perfect. Door lock actuator, this is the cable that comes from the interior door handle. We have a video how to replace door lock actuator, so you can see how it attaches. You open that cap and that's where the cable is. But let me show you now, guys, how it functions. Okay, let's say you close your door. Okay, that's how you close it. When you pull the door handle, okay, it opens it. Let's try again. Okay, give me a second. Okay, and it releases it, guys. So if cable is attached there, it's not broken anywhere, it's attached here, guys, then the last option will be a door lock actuator and the mechanism inside, which could happen as well, guys. So in that case you will need to remove and replace it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to do something like that. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.